What is going on, you guys? This is Tech HD coming at you with a brand new video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to basically remove the hissing and the buzzing when you are trying to record the Xbox One party chat with the Astro Splitter. I've been getting comments saying that to show you guys how to remove the hissing and the buzzing and pretty much how to remove it completely. I am going to show you how to remove it, but it's going to be very low. You can still barely hear it, but it's like very low. So it's like you can't really hear it as well. The only time you can really hear it very well is with headphones, but like I said, it's very low in hearing it. Now basically, before we get into this video, what I'm going to do is basically tell you guys what I use to remove it. So basically, whenever I record and then edit it, I edit it in Adobe Premiere Pro, and that's when I remove the buzzing and the hissing. There's no way that you can remove it just by connecting it or anything like that. You could probably get like a better cable, maybe that'll work. Let me know about that. But basically, I use Adobe Premiere Pro to remove the buzzing and the hissing. So what I'm going to show you guys is the before and after of the same clip of me talking to a friend of mine, and basically how it will sound with the buzzing and hissing, and then removing it, and basically what I did to remove it. Alright, you guys, so basically we are at Adobe Premiere Pro CS6, and what I'm going to show you guys is how I edit it to remove the buzzing and the hissing in this video. So basically I'm going to show you guys an example right now, and now I'm going to edit it, tell you guys what I use, and then basically show you guys the after. Alright, you guys, so basically we're playing Call of Duty Advanced Warfare, and this is an example of the party chat with the buzzing and hissing. I got my buddy Big Mike to show you guys the example of it.
Yo, if you didn't hear me that time, you can go suck dick. Just saying.
Alright, so basically that was the example of it. So now what we're going to do, we're going to go to effects, we're going to go to audio effects, we're going to go all the way to treble, all the way down here. I'm going to drag it onto here. I'm going to go to effects control, and I basically boost it up to 15. That's the normal amount that I usually do. And what it does is that it removes most of it, like almost all of it, but I go a little bit more forward, and I basically go to decrackler and bring this all the way to 100, bring this all the way to 0. And then I also go to denoiser, and I bring this all the way to -20. I bring this all the way to 10. And now that's basically all that I do. So now let me show you guys the after part of it. Alright, you guys, so basically we're playing Call of Duty Advanced Warfare, and this is an example of the party chat with the buzzing and hissing. I got my buddy Big Mike to show you guys the example of it.
Yo, if you didn't hear me that time, you can go suck dick. Just saying.
Alright, you guys, so basically there you guys have it. This is my method on how to remove the buzzing and the hissing. It sounds basically the same. It sounds a little bit more clear as well. But this method is only used for people that have Adobe Premiere Pro software editor. Basically, if there's any other way with Sony Vegas or just normally how to remove it without any software, please let me know down in the comments below, and let me know what your method is on how to remove the buzzing and the hissing. But this is basically my how I remove it when I am editing in post. So there you guys have it. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of it, if it actually helps, if it worked, if there's anything else other than using Adobe Premiere Pro to remove the buzzing and the hissing. But anyway, there you guys have it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, and Twitch. As always, this is Tech HD. I'll catch you guys in the next